welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me. And today I am doing I'm doing an update of the ongoing bridge construction in Port Harcourt. And right now I'm at Artillery, which is Rumuola. I'm going to GRA and Garrison. So please stay tuned. After watching this video, you should watch the others. And yes, I am with Canada. I'm going to be showing you his face soon. And yes, he has a YouTube channel. Make sure you check out his channel. He's very good. He's dope. His shots are mad. I said so. No need. Oh yeah, guys, I said I was going to show you Canada. Canada, say hi. See how he's looking like one.
Hi.
Okay, hi. Because I'll put his YouTube channel link on the description, in the description box and on the screen definitely. This is what the Artillery Bridge looks like right now. They're actually slow, and I don't know why. So many things are still going on this bridge. But with time, we'll get back to normal soon. So guys, I am on the bridge, and this is an updated video of the ongoing bridge construction in Artillery. If you haven't seen the last video, I'm going to link the video in the cards, and you should watch it after watching this. You can see this part. The last time these parts weren't done, and they're done now. So I don't know if I'll be talking much in this video, but come with me. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video if you like it. It does help my channel. And feel free to comment in the comment section below what you think of the progress of this bridge. This is the Rumuola Bridge, the ongoing construction of the other lane. Yes, and there's progress actually. There's good progress in the Rumuola Bridge. Work is going fine. The bridge from another view. Yes, you can see the old bridge. Cars are using this bridge down to Presidential, and I'm really happy about this new idea of the other bridge, because The old bridge has one lane each for going and coming, and I've had an incident where I was on this bridge and a truck broke down. Cars behind couldn't move forward and they couldn't go back. So Rumuola Bridge is a major bridge, and this is really a nice idea, to and fro on its own, wide. Garrison, yes. So I'll be showing you what Garrison Bridge looks like. You're almost done. Well, from here I can see the very clean look of the bridge. So let's go and see what this bridge looks like. And if you've watched up until this point and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Garrison Bridge is quarter to done. Well, presently it's done. Everything is fixed and fine, yes, and the bridge will be commissioned very, very soon, and we are happy. I believe Port Harcourt people are happy that this bridge is almost done. For watching, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Engage me in the comment section below, and please do well to visit Kalada's YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, bye.